Hi there, let me explain how to set up the mail settings. Firstly, open the documentation. Open the Mail Setup section. If you want to use Gmail as SMTP client, here are the steps which you have to follow. Let's do it together. On my account, the two-factor authentication is already disabled. Click on this link, then on Next. Now allow less secure apps to connect to your mail account. Click on the following link. Navigate to the H4GIO dashboard now and open the Control dashboard. Search for the widget Email Settings. Copy the informations for the SMTP client as follow. Here is an example how the mail looks like. Let's test out our settings. Just click on Test tab and give in one of your mail addresses. Let's see if our mail has arrived. If yes, then all configurations are successfully. You could also set up your domain name mail. To do this, firstly you have to search for the data from your provider and enter it into H4G. Here is an example for Ionos. In the next video I will show you how to add the supplier records. For more instructions, subscribe to our channel and never miss any video and stay tuned.